So, I'm very excited because it snowed, and I'm very, very excited, of course, because I'm from California. I get excited about snow. Here's my snow boots. They're so cute. So here's my snow boots in the snow. And then you can see all the beautiful snow. It's so pretty. I'm so excited. Welcome to Cupcake Kindergarten. Okay, so we're going to talk a little bit about addition strategies. So these are addition strategies that I teach in kindergarten. And you can use these strategies for subtraction too. And I bought this on Teacher Pay Teacher, so I will put this in the description on Teacher Pay Teacher. So it is a waterfall. So we have addition strategies. So we have my fingers, and so we teach them how they can count with their fingers. They can do adding, that's a strategy. And then they can use snap cubes as a strategy. And so how we use snap cubes as a strategy, so what we do is they have to use the same color for the first number and the second number, and then they take it and they put it together, and then they count this, and so it's 10. And then they let me know that 4 plus 6 equals 10. And so they can use snap cubes. And they can also use snap cubes, so when I give them a worksheet, I can set out the snap cubes and they can use that to do their adding. And then the number line, I can use a number line to add numbers. And so how I teach the number line is I put them in these little sleeves here so that we can write with a whiteboard marker. And I teach them that they put the first number on the frog. It's like a little froggy. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little froggy. So like say that they're doing 4 plus 6. So I say, where does the froggy start? The froggy always starts on the first number. So they put the froggy on the 4, and then they jump 6 times. And so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the answer is 10. So they jump the frog. And then they write the answer. They can write the answer on their worksheet that we're doing. If they want to use the number line for a worksheet, they can do that. So like if they're doing 1 plus 4, they just start the froggy on the 1 and they jump 4 times. And so the kindergartners really like this. And then they just wipe it off and they do their next one. And so the number line is really fun for them. So we can add with the number line. Also, we do a lot with 10 frames. And so I introduce the 10 frame and how they can add with the 10 frame up to 10. And then also, they can use counters. I really like these counters, and the students really like these little counters. They're just those little erasers. And so I have like little birds. I have little stars and little telephones. So we just have like little counters. And so they would just, like do 2 plus 8. And then they would write that. And so sometimes I'll lay these little counters out when they're doing their worksheet. And they can use counters. And then the last but not least, I can draw a picture to add numbers. And so I teach them how we can draw pictures and like word problems. So I think this is really neat little waterfall addition strategies. And we talk about all the different strategies. And this is on Teacher Pay Teacher. I think I said that. I will put it in the description. So, let's go eat a cupcake.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It equals 11.